Are you tired of managing separate systems for payments and customer support? Look no further than Paymattic's Paid Ticketing system. This innovative solution combines seamless payment processing with Fluent Support integration, allowing businesses to streamline their operations and provide top-notch customer service. To kick it off, go to the Integrations tab from the Paymattic dashboard. You'll have to enable the Fluent Support integration. Now, let's create a form that we want our integration to work with. We'll take the name, email, and single-line text field for basic information. We'll use the single-line text field as the title of the ticket. Next, we're gonna take a text field. This will allow people to write the support message. We're gonna take a payment item from here. Let's add two types of items, regular and premium, and select choose one from multiple items. Lastly, take a payment method field. We're gonna go with PayPal. Remember, you'll only receive the payment if you configure the payment gateway first. Feel free to include multiple payment methods if you want. Now, we have to create the integration. Let's create one from the Integrations tab. Configure the integration. We're gonna tick this option so that the ticket will only become active when the payment is successful. The field will be enabled by default. If not, then enable it and hit Create Fluent Support feed to save the integration. That's it. You're all set with your integrations. Enjoy the sweetness of paid ticketing system thanks to Paymattic, and share some with us by subscribing to WPManageNinja.